Posterior Auricular Artery Anatomy. 6. Questions and answers. Is the posterior auricular artery a branch of the external carotid artery? Yes, the posterior auricular artery is a branch of the external carotid artery. Is the posterior auricular artery a small artery? Yes, the posterior auricular artery is a small artery. Does the posterior auricular artery arise from the posterior aspect of the external carotid artery? Yes, the posterior auricular artery arises from the posterior aspect of the external carotid artery. Does the posterior auricular artery arise immediately above the posterior belly of the digastric muscle? Yes, the posterior auricular artery arises immediately above the posterior belly of the digastric muscle. Does the posterior auricular artery ascend obliquely backwards in the parotid gland? Yes, the posterior auricular artery ascends obliquely backwards in the parotid gland. What does the posterior auricular artery supply? The posterior auricular artery supplies the auricle and the scalp posterior to the auricle.